My question is, I'm 6'2", and if you're 5'4", why does my cholesterol have to be the same as you? Does that make sense? Do not become a doctor yourself. Millions take statins to fight cholesterol. But what if they're secretly plotting to turn us all into zombies? In today's episode, we're going to uncover the creepy side effects of statin that might just have you joining the undead. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Dana, and this is Statin Talk, the only place scarier than a doctor's waiting room. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to join our community that thrives on uncovering the spooky truths behind the health myths. Let's shuffle through the fog and find out if statins are our saviors or just zombie makers in disguise. Statins, are they the heroes of the pharmaceutical world for us, swooping in to lower our cholesterol faster than you can say double cheeseburger? But at what cost? Muscle pain, fatigue, brain fog. Sounds a lot like early stages of zombification, doesn't it? Before you know it, you're craving brains instead of bacon. Now, why the zombie-like side effects, you ask? It's simple. While statins are busy battling our cholesterol, they're also throwing a not-so-fun party in our body. They might keep the heart ticking, but watch out. They could be munching on your muscles and gnawing away at your nervous system. That's right. Now, I'm going to let you know about a brave soul who's been on statins for a year before he came off. Me. See, I took these pills, and I took them daily, and I followed the doctor's routine. But I found out that following this routine turned into something out of a horror movie. And spoiler alert, it wasn't glamorous as The Walking Dead. So it just made me feel like a zombie with zombie-like experiences. Just when I thought I couldn't get creepier, here's the real shocker. The studies that I've done, the recent studies, suggest that while statins might keep you alive, they're making your life a little too undead for comfort. It is really worth it, or is it time to say no to becoming a cholesterol-free zombie? So, what's the creepy conclusion? I mean, we got high cholesterol, we've had a heart attack, statins is the drug for cholesterol, but they come with a major price tag, straight out of a horror flick. And we hear several different people that tell us different things, don't we? We hear carnivore diet, we hear this type of diet, we hear that type of diet, we hear that type of diet. It's a diet. I don't like the word diet. We need a lifestyle, and we need to change our lifestyle for the better. And we need to do a lifestyle that does not include statin medication, or we are going to feel like zombies. Now, what's the pros and the cons by doing this with your doctor? Well, your doctor, unless they're a zombie too, is going to want you to stay in the world of statins. They're going to want you to continue to take the medication because they say everybody's cholesterol has to be below 70. Well, my question is, I'm 6'2", and if you're 5'4", why does my cholesterol have to be the same as you? Does that make sense? It doesn't. So basically, as we take a glimpse into that world of statins, we realize that we need to find alternatives. The alternative is listen, if you are taking statins, do not quit. Go to your doctor and say, I want an alternative other than statins. Do not become a doctor yourself. I am not your doctor. I am not a doctor. I didn't just quit. I went to my doctor and I said, look, I don't want to take statins. We need to find a solution. You need to work with me. So what are we going to do? So we changed everything as far as food-wise. And let me tell you, the food is nasty. That's why I became a big fan of jalapenos and hot sauce, because I spice everything. And even though jalapenos are good for you, but I didn't want any more of these hair-raising health insights from my doctor, nor Did I want any more statins to do anything spooky to my body, as fatigue, brain fog? I didn't want any more of this, and you shouldn't either. You should tell your doctor, listen, I'm done. We need to work and do something different. So do me a favor, comment your spookiest statin stories in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going, and let's keep it alive. Let's just keep rolling with this before we become the undead. As I said, this is Dana. This is Statin Talk. Talk to y'all later. Bye.